Hi friends, welcome to session 7. The topic I'm going to talk about in this session is a winning trade versus a winning attitude. So winning a trade, many of you know, when you make profit, we'll call this as winning a trade. But winning attitude is something different. So winning a trade can happen, not always. So how to have a winning attitude, which is more important, is what we are going to look into in this session. One of the main important winning attitude a person should have is to easily, without any effort, he should move beyond his mistakes. Others get bogged down in negative self-criticism, which leads to a regret and a self-pity. In overall, they'll be missing out on the opportunities. Again, I repeat, moving beyond mistakes without effort is a very, very important attitude for a winner. As I had mentioned, winning a trade, it happens by chance, but winning attitude has to be developed by oneself. So winning in any endeavor is mostly or always a function of one's attitude. So irrespective of the market, being in a bull market or a bear market, so when one has developed this winning attitude, he can make money irrespective of the market directions. So the key to success is in developing a winning attitude. So again, the responsibility factor comes over here. It's only we who are responsible for developing our own winning attitude. The market is not going to do this for us. Now, why this winning attitude? Winning attitude leads us to an attitude of consistency. Consistency is a state of mind that has thinking strategies that are unique to trading. So consistency is again not in the market, but again it's in our mind. The market does not perceive the information it makes available. It's we who do it. So again I repeat, we will have to change to be a winner in the market. The market will not help us. So any amount of studying about the market will not take us anywhere. What is the way forward? The only way forward is to understand and accept risks. Accepting the risks means accepting the consequences of our trades without emotional discomfort or fear. I'll repeat. Many people think accepting risk is losing money. Yes, it could be one of the reasons, but I look from this perspective of accepting a risk means the one accepts the consequences of the trade without an emotional discomfort or fear, which leads to only interacting and no interpreting the market. The minute you start interpreting the market, you become a fortune teller, which is not what we are looking at. Like, with this, we will close this session on winning trade versus winning attitude. Please leave your comments below. I'll get back to you. See you soon in the next session. Thank you.